Hello, welcome back. We're the Transport Bandits. I'm Cheryl.
I'm Jeff, or Mr. Dennis.
We just delivered to Castle Country RV in Logan, Utah.
We did.
No driver damage, and now this is the fun side of RV transport. Once you drop that trailer, you are free to have as much fun as you want to.
So we are going to Thermopolis.
Thermopolis Hot Springs in Thermopolis, Wyoming.
Thermopolis, Wyoming, right.
Yeah.
So you need to continue watching this video because you're going to get to see hot, sweaty Mr. Dimples getting in and out of a hot pool in a skin-tight Speedo.
Jeff, don't say that because they're going to turn off the video right now. Okay?
Come on.
No.
Why did you buy me that Speedo if you don't want me to wear it?
Speedo. All right, yeah. No, that's not coming out. Stay tuned, okay? Don't turn everything off right now, okay? Go ahead and mash that like button before you turn everything off.
And subscribe.
We are headed across the beautiful Highway 89 out of Utah and into Wyoming, where we will hit, I think it's Highway 39 up to Riverton. We're going to stop in and go up Wind River Canyon, which is an amazing feast for the eyes in Utah.
Yes, you guys will get to see that.
And Highway 89 is gorgeous. You know, look at this. Cache National Forest. Take a look at this. Okay, Highway 89 is going to come to an end out of Utah here at Bear Lake in Garden City, and we will be making a right onto Utah 30 before we get into Wyoming. That's a pretty amazing way to come out of Logan, Utah if you're delivering that. Alright, this is the very end of Bear Lake here. Really cool little town back there. We will go around the bottom side of it and into Wyoming. Highway 372 in Wyoming, and it is spectacular. You know, one thing that we love about driving around out here in the West, and especially after we've dropped off the camper, you can take these back roads that are wonderful and see America, and there is no traffic, none whatsoever. And it's as far as you can see forever. I love it out here. Take a look at this. Wind River Canyon. It's just north of Shoshone, Wyoming, headed towards Thermopolis. And we come through here on our bikes quite often in the summertime. It is amazing. I'm hoping that it won't be too dark to get some footage. This is one of my favorite roads in all of America. I apologize that it is so late in the evening. I may get some more footage of this canyon in the morning. We're on our way to Thermopolis Hot Springs tonight, but this is the beginning of Wind River Canyon, Wyoming. Okay, we're coming up to, this is also one of the world's largest natural hot springs, but we are going to Star Plunge. We've been here before, it's fun, it's great hot springs. There it is right there. Let's go take a dip. Okay, it's dark, it's really dark.
And it's cold, really cold.
But we're going to Star Plunge.
Because it's awesome.
It's awesome. We've been here many times before. This is Star Plunge Hot Springs in Thermopolis, Wyoming. We need a floaty thing. We need towels and we need a floaty thing. Okay, we're here inside Star Plunge. This is a hot springs. It's mineral hot springs. It smells really strong of sulfur.
Yes.
And
When we leave here, my feet will look wonderful for at least a month.
it does do wonders for your hair. All right, so let me show you what this looks like. The water temperature is about 104. Hey, everybody's having fun in the hot tub. So this is a great place to come to sit in the hot tub. Okay, let's get in.
What's up, guys? This is the lobster pot.
Look at it, it's boiling.
It's like 19 degrees outside. It's 104 in the water. Oh, that's just a goatee in there because it's gonna look great.
Vapor cave. This is the sauna cave. And it's getting hotter. And my glasses are fogging up. Oh my gosh. Let's take a look. You probably can't even see because the camera is so hot in here. It's all fogged up. Alright, let's get back out. Wow, it is hot in here. Alright, coming back out of the vapor cave and cleaning off the camera lens.
Do I look relaxed?
Put the eyebrows up. Put the eyebrows up and
I
look
am
relaxed.
relaxed. Okay.
This has been wonderful. We've been sitting in the lobster pot for about an hour. We've been talking to some wonderful people.
We have great Americans.
And more great Americans.
So, I'm really wore out now. I mean, I'm just exhausted. So, subscribe.
Press that like button. We'll see you on the next video. And we are Transport Bandits.
Out.